How to solve Ark Survival Evolved app Google Play Games login failure problem. Hi everyone, welcome to the channel. In this quick tutorial video, I will show you to solve Ark Survival Evolved app Google Play Games login failure problem. First of all, launch Play Store app on your device. Once it has been launched and open, tap search icon at bottom right corner of the screen. Search Google Play Games on the search bar. Open it and make sure to update Google Play Games application on your device. Exit Google Play Store and go to Settings on your device. Scroll down, click on Connection and Sharing. Locate airplane mode on your device and turn on and off the airplane mode for a while on your device. Once you are done with that, open Settings again. Scroll down, open Apps. Now tap on App Management and search for Ark Survival Evolved app. This item is not available in my country. If you have the application, simply you can go to the app info page of Ark Survival Evolved app and force stop the application. After that, you need to enable all the permissions and make sure from the help of the data storage, enable the mobile data, background data, and the Wi-Fi. After you are done with that, you can easily solve Ark Survival Evolved app Google Play Games login failure problem. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, then do like, share, comment, and don't forget to subscribe for more tech and tips.